Hey guys, Kathy Dryden here. You're kicking back in my kitchen. My goal is to get you out of the drive-thru, back around the dinner table with your family. Today we're doing zucchini fries. So in my multi-deluxe cooker, pressure cooker, I have my freezer meal French dip sandwiches. That's going strong. So I thought let's do something healthy as a side dish. You guys, zucchini and squash is about to go crazy because the season is here. So why not try something different? And if you have a fun dip with it, even the kids will eat it. So you just take 2 zucchini. I actually have 3. I'm gonna see how many fries it makes, but it's just the 2 of us. So I think this will be plenty. I will share the recipe for this. These are air fryer zucchini fries, but you could totally do this in your oven if you wanted to bake them. It's gonna take 15 minutes in the air fryer setting. So we're gonna use one of my favorite tools, favorite prep tools, the Rapid Prep Mandolin. So if you're doing French fries, you wanna have it on the French fry setting at level 8, and that is the perfect French fry setting. So if you have this bad boy, 8 is gonna make you great, or is gonna make great French fries. So you also have the little tub it's all gonna shoot into, which is so fun. Kids can help you do this. It's very safe. I would say stand with them, but it has the guard, it has all the things, and it just makes it a lot easier to make fries than sitting here cutting them individually. So easy. So this pushes down for storage, and here we go. Now, I'm hoping it does it perfectly. I'm never sure how to get it moving, but we're gonna go. All right, so I could even do this one-handed if I want to be a show-off, but you know, I'm not a show-off. But what I like about it is all the fries are the same size, and you can do a lot at one time. So I'm just gonna do these lovely little guys, and then here's the tip in the recipe. The tip is for you to put your seasoning on your zucchini and let it sit for 5 minutes. The seasoning is gonna draw the moisture out because it's gonna have some salt. If you have some no salt seasoning, I would go ahead and put a little pinch of salt because you wanna get these to get the water out, the moisture out, and then you're gonna drain the water that it releases and put it in your air fryer. Okay, so that's a tip to get it for crispy, crispy, crispy. All right, so this is one batch, and I'm doing 2 different flavors. So you can mess with these however you want. So I've got our lovely tray set. There's 3. And in one, I'm gonna do salt and vinegar, kind of like, you know, salt and vinegar chips, but they're gonna be salt and vinegar fries. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put that seasoning on now, and then I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. I can wait 5 minutes for that. And then in the other tray, I'm gonna put the breading. Okay, so let me just show you that part. So there we go. Salt and vinegar. You want to do about a tablespoon per 2 zucchini. So I'm going to do half a tablespoon because I'm doing 1. And my other flavor, I'm going to do crushed peppercorn and garlic. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. You do want to kind of stir it around and get it all over. And then after the 5 minutes, you drain the extra liquid. So the other trays, this is what my breading is going to be. There's lots of different versions if you go to Pinterest. This is actually a Pampered Chef recipe, so you can go to my website, www.pamperedchef.biz/Kathy Dryden, or if you have another consultant, just go to their website and look up zucchini fries, and these are air fryer ones. So these are going to sit and drain. This little guy is going, I have 3 of these come in a tray. We're going to do half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of almond flour, and then we're gonna spray it big time with our kitchen spritzer, okay? It says in the recipe, I looked at some of the reviews of the recipe, and a couple people said they would have totally added more spritzer, okay? So make sure you do that kind of liberally, so when you bake them or air fry them, they're going to be nice and crispy and brown for you. The other fun thing is it's 15 minutes, so halfway through your air fryer will beep, and you just switch your trays. Some people are doing it in the wheel. I like the tray thing, and make sure you spray your tray as well so your fries come off easily. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this together, but I wanted to share with you my zucchini fries, my magical meal prep, zucchini prep, and I'll show you a picture at the end of the whole thing put together. Don't forget, if you have any questions about anything I ever show you, just comment on here or message me. I totally love answering questions. And if you have a recipe idea of what to do with zucchini that's going to be coming very, very much in our gardens, share what you would do with your zucchini. I'm thinking fried zucchini, zucchini casserole, everything fattening I can think of. So give me some healthy ideas. All right, you guys, have a great night. Don't forget to comment your zucchini ideas. Bye.